Hi, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Province.
Yep, still here. And it is Mom's birthday today. They're not done cooking, but we got some good stuff going on. What is that? What is this?
Ginataang manok.
Ginataang manok is with coconut oil.
Yeah. Coconut milk.
Well, I know that's a puto right here, right? Am I saying this right? Puto?
Yeah, puta.
Puto.
Nata.
Puto.
Puto.
And we got some tuna. Fresh off the fire over there.
Sinukman.
And we got Grandmama. Say hey.
Say hi, Lula. Hi to the vlog.
Papakita mo yun sa radio mo.
Oh yeah.
Why?
Real.
Nakakap to English.
Partner ng
Still not done yet. Don't you be dipping your little fingers in the food.
I'm not dipping. I'm just trying.
You're just trying? Yeah, okay.
Wanna try?
Do I want to try?
Happy birthday banner.
Let me try that one.
May mama
Before
pa.
anybody see, I'm about to try a little bit. Try a little piece real quick.
Tayo ang pulutan.
Let me give it.
It's not like
Sana'y malasing mo kami.
So good.
Ay, cake sana. Ano nang Rodrigo?
tapos ano pa, wala na. Uy, may Goldilocks lalo nung sabi ni Mama. Saan?
Banwan?
Balmaan. Ay, iyak. Aram ni
Ganun
Mama.
lang.
Ano to?
Bisa dit lang yung mga P-type lang. May nag-glow lang siya. Ay po kaya nang may cake ang may birthday, daw ano daw itong palab.
Yun na lang
palaba.
murahin.
Yung mura lang. Yung tawag. Sabihin lang na may gift.
Mumurahin. Mumurahin.
Oh, tama na, ano na lang.
May iba ka?
Uy, 52 pa man lang garo si Mama. 52 yan si
Ano
Mama?
ba na init? 35 sa inyo.
I'm laid back today.
52.
Ikapila ng edad mo, sino?
And going.
32 na sila.
Oh,
eh.
bakit 35?
We have some hot dogs, omelette. Sama na pala.
Yung pang ano?
Anong kulay kanina?
First time I ever had omelet with carrots in it.
Same size lagi mo. Para pag nabasan na yun.
Carrot?
Hmm?
Never had.
May violet ako dyan. Oh, may violet na yung mama. Sabay-sabay lang.
Really good.
Iyo, sabay.
Oh, no, it's dark here. Ah,
Oh shoot.
it's not dark.
Feel like I'm
Ma, kapagtan mo.
Ano yung 500? May kakayate ng 500.
Ay,
Ay,
ay, ay.
Ano may naging? Ano kata ko lang sa parkani?
Ginabaya.
2 kilo? 2 kilo.
Kay mong dragon.
Lang, sarap lang.
Muna, may sarap
Dragon.
dito.
Tama na yan, over na
Oh,
yan.
babe,
Hey,
this thing is missing the.
Pasuratan mo ang ano, balloons mo.
Susuratan ko pa, dahil na.
ito.
Papa, 52.
87 to.
How was your position there? Oh my God, babe.
I feel like I'm a fuck.
Ano? Yeah, bell pepper. Maisa, bell pepper.
Sunbathing?
Sunbathing. Yeah. No, not sunbathing. So sunbathing, I'd be in the sun. I'm shade bathing.
Shade bathing.
Shade bathing.
Ang yaon din, Argentina lang. Lalagyan sa gininis, lalagyan sa gininis. Ang sus, Maria, si Juan ay tinga niya ka ba nga?
Magawa mo na kita duman yung ano, buik.
Ano pa, mana?
Bibili ng tama.
Mana? Uy, carrots, giniling kikiam.
May pag-galis ka ba yung ilan? Ano ka pa?
It's gonna be a hot one today. Real hot one in the Philippines. Gonna be about 92, I think. About 92 degrees.
Kada ko lang yung pansit, ano?
Ready to go back to the condo.
Mas kada ko lang pansit.
I'm gonna thug it out a little bit
Dami na mapapaano.
because
Kaya man pansit mo ng pansit.
it's my mom's birthday. You know.
What happened last night?
What happened last night?
Yeah, you have to tell me and tell them. Oh, don't gossip to everyone.
What happened last night?
Just to me. Yeah.
When? Where? What happened? Where?
Last night.
While you asleep?
Late ba yan?
When you was sleeping?
Late.
You talking about that?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it got wild.
This one. Hoy, Miss!
Got mama.
Huwag ka dyan makakain. Mabait.
Because
Why? What happened?
your brother wanted to fight.
Wait.
Your brother wanted to fight the cousin.
Because? Who's cousin? Kay Kisay.
Your cousin.
Si Arcade. Paano mo?
The one that got the same little burn thing right here.
Paano? Pagkasundo, tapos pinag-anuhan na naman yung utoy si Arcade.
And then your mom threw all this in the road. And we picked it up. That whole box, all these noodles in the red packs, and all the cans and stuff. She's like, and she'll throw it out, and then we just all picked it up.
Nagwala.
Hindi ah, nag-iwal da. Eh, saan nag-iwal? Ang inot, si Mama tsaka si Utoy. Dinadana ni Linga tapos masulog to.
Iba yun.
Bibiti pa from siya na.
Correct.
Oh, kain tugtog.
You understand? Si
Yeah, I understand it all.
Drew nagpupurot-purot ng basura
I
dyan.
talk to Gallo good.
Naglilinig,
Ayun,
nagsig.
nagtatabang
Kasubanggi.
Si Kasubanggi.
Wawa mo.
You clean here
Yeah.
last night? Tapos yung
This morning.
Tapos yung mga baso-baso
When the sun
pinagliligpit
came
na doon
up.
sa taas.
Sarang lollipop nilaw pa sa laog.
Ayun.
And I filled up the water thing in there.
Tapos nagsakto pa daw siya dyan sa may si
Ah, nagsakdo yan sa bagong amay.
There was no water in there. I didn't have to use it. I just know that y'all had to use it. And your brother was up, and he started up the pot over there.
cooking.
Yeah, he started cooking. It was early. As soon as the sun came up, I was like, let me get up. I just got up. Then your dad came down here. So we was all up. And all y'all was asleep. You was drooling. You was like,
Oh, I'm not. Lalaway
Siguro
daw.
nagtataka siya kasi bagay kung ano nangyayari.
Yun.
Aluwan.
yeah, they got the karaoke going again. Karaoke. They was singing this on one of her
Yan yan ah! Subuan kita.
Okay, pumarini na kayo mga pati anak. Pumarini ka. Opo.
This is your plate.
Kakamot man ako.
Kutsara ulit. Ay, nasi kutsara ako nung hindi ko alam kung ano na
Go, baby.
siya ng tubig. Wala na
Tama nga lang yun.
Ay, kutsara. Meron ka na lang. Buwa ka na dun sa taas.
Limutan. Tabi sila ni Chantel mag-akbay.
Nag-iikot na nga na ikala ko nakaarog lang kaya hala, hiling ko ang duwi.
Punta ko si Sir na tukma ka ni Drew sa Banggi. Nakataro.
Tinawag ko ng tinawag mo ng ano.
Tamo.
Tamo. Yeah, turo ko ulit.
Hindi naman malakaw habang nagkakanta. Ako na lang. Nakatukaw ko lang. Ako na lang lugod makanta. Para pa magkanta.
Ako kumanda ubi ang
Yeah. Kala mo magaling na magkanta, no?
kahit hindi magaling na ihabol din. Oh, ano.
what I want you to say. Did they have Billy Currington in there? Billy Currington. They don't have people are crazy.
People of crazy.
People are crazy.
People are crazy. Oh, they have Billy
Currington.
Yeah. You want to sing it? Huh? I don't know this.
You don't know?
1128.
I mean, I don't really know it either. Like if I can't hear it. Put it on. Let me try. Let me try. Put it on.
Okay. 1128.
Put it on. Put on Billy Currington. Let me see if I can get this. God is great. Beer is good. And people are crazy. There was sunny day. I saw the old man's face. Front page obituary. He was a millionaire. I score 120.
Very nice.
What's your score, babe? Let's see. 84. Good singer.
How did I get an 84?
That's a lie.
Ganda ba ang kanta? Ganda.
They said your voice good.
Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you.
Ayo, 100.
Oh, 100. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, they was missing a zero up there. They was missing a zero, babe. They was missing a zero. Yeah.
Oh, makanta ka mo. Oh.
Oh my God, babe.
I'm a great singer.
Yes, you are, babe. Oh my God. You are great. Yeah, she was 1,000 for sure.
Kakanta ta ka, babe.
Nawili naman. May utang siya sa kung 1,000. 100 ay. With me, what you can do. Kiss me in the morning, kiss me in the night, kiss me in the bedtime, kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hug me, darling.
Let's see what the score is gonna be. 81. 81.
Ayoko na, bawi. Nabawi.
Okay, babe. Tell them why we're here.
We're here because my mom's birthday.
Yes.
And we're celebrating my mom's birthday. That's my brother's still cooking.
Yeah.
He's cooking pancit bihon.
Yeah,
He's a chef. You know.
They don't need a stove out here.
Yeah, we're using like that.
Hey, pan, put it on some rocks, light the fire.
Yeah, right.
Light the fire.
Wag na daw.
Happy na?
Why? Kunin mo na lang yung cheese dyan sa ref. Yung Eden. Yung Eden sa ref. Baka gusto mo pang magkanta.
Got girls over there get the decor ready.
Kunin mo yung cheese sa ref, yung Eden.
gin on the table. They ready.
Ito na yan, maganda ho ng
They
kanta
ready.
kaya.
They ready. They about to get it in. Last night was crazy. They was out here drinking all night. Now they got more gin. They're too hot for the gin.
Yan may itamtak lang yung araw kayo.
May wani lang. Laway lang.
Baili ah.
Mabaili. Baili yan ibibig ang kinder.
Pero lisir.
Pearly. Si Aling Pearly, yung nag-shell.
Oh, ano sign?
Pataman araw niya kayo.
Tamtak siya ang
Yung nadali.
Nadali mo.
Nadali
Ay,
mo doon.
Tres. Ay, naku, Marites.
Ayun.
Mag-dated. Ay, si Taho pa ang halanggaw.
Ano mo na lang, space mo na lang.
Ah! Kulat ka. Kulat ka. Yun, ibaba lang. Pababa siya. Kulat. May kukawan. Yan.
Taas mo binang kadikit. Doon sobrahan ba? Dikit lang.
Tama na yun.
Ilahin mo po lang konti. Ilahin mo konti.
lang space dyan.
Babe, baba. Ilahin mo pa, Paul.
Sako, ano?
Sige pa.
Sako.
Okay, huwag na. Buhol mo na. Wala, Babe, nagpupang sa inyo. Baba mo pa dikit.
Ano sako?
Yan, okay na. Maintain that.
Yan.
Ate,
Lagyan mo space.
well,
Finger mo.
Saka siso.
Hindi, balloons yan.
siso and well.
Uy, mag-ready ka tayo.
Uto. Kiroy. Ang tiyan yung nilalagay.
Pakulit ka. Pakulit ka ba? Ato ba? Pati lang putok.
Oo, bawal dito. Saan ka? Huwag ka dyan dumaan, log dito. Hindi mo, dito dyan. Doon ka na dumaan, doon, sarap nila.
Ako man magsendo.
Nagpupula na ako sa patentero pa eh.
Why you give me all this, man?
Let's try it. I mean,
What is this?
wala man. You want, ano? Gusto mo na?